Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Canva with Google Sheets at 2026. You should know that there is no live two-way sync between Canva and Google Sheets, but you can connect them in a method that I'm going to show you. Okay, so the method that we are going to use here is to connect the Google Sheets to Canva charts. Okay, and that's the best method. It's best for charts, tables, and updating data visually. All right, so you will need at first to open your Canva account on the canva.com, and then just open or create a design. So for example, we'll go with that one, and then just go ahead and click on elements on the left side bar, and after that you will need to type chart right here. Okay, and then add any chart, bar, line, pie, table. It's up to you. So for example, we'll go with bar chart. All right, and here you will need to go and click on import data. Right, and after that just select the Google Sheets. Okay, then just sign in to Google and choose a spreadsheet, sheet, data, range. It's up to you. Then just click connect, and that's what I did. And your Canva chart now pulls data from the Google Sheets. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.